Craving for a bowl of creamy flavorsome pasta, then try this recipe. In less than 30 minutes, you're gonna have a very satisfying dish. Let's start cooking the pasta. I have prepared a salted boiling water here. I'm going to add some oil so that the pasta won't stick together, and put it slowly. And cook the pasta al dente. The pasta is al dente. I'm going to turn up the heat and I'm going to drain it. Now it's time to cook our pasta. I'm going to add some oil to the pan. Turn on to medium heat. My oil is ready. I'm going to add the chicken. Season it with salt. Pepper. And cook the chicken until tender. Okay, I'm going to transfer the chicken to a plate. Now I'm going to add the shiitake mushrooms. I'm going to add a little bit of oil because my pan is getting dry. Saute the mushrooms until they are softened. These mushrooms will be our flavor base. It will give this dish a hearty flavor. And I just love shiitake mushrooms because they have wonderful aroma. And the reason why I remove the chicken is because I don't want to overcook the chicken. I want to keep it moist and juicy. Okay, my mushrooms are already softened. Time to add the garlic. And you saute it for about a minute. Now, the reason why I add the garlic after the mushroom is because the mushroom cooks longer than garlic. Okay, I'm going to add some butter to add buttery flavor. Smells so good. Okay, once the butter is melted, time to add our cooking cream. Then I'm going to lower the heat. And you just simmer it for about 3 to 5 minutes or until the cream is thickened. So while you are simmering the cream, make sure you keep stirring it to prevent the bottom of the pan from burning. Okay, my cream is already thickened. I'm going to get my pasta, add it to the cream, and then mix it. Okay, just keep mixing it until the pasta is well coated in the sauce. Okay, I'm going to season it with salt, pepper. Okay, I'm going to put back the chicken. Then mix it. Mix it really, really well. Okay. Going to add some parmesan cheese to add more flavor. Mix it again until the parmesan cheese is melted. Okay. To add a deep flavor and aroma, I'm going to add some ground oregano. And then you simmer it for about a minute.